Hi, it's Emily. I have been on the keto diet for about 7 months now, and it's not that bad as long as I can eat tacos. So I want to show you today how I make my tacos. And I want to share a product that I absolutely love. These are Mr. Tortilla, little baby 4-inch tortillas. These are only 1 net carb each. And so then if you have 3 or 4 tacos, you're not killing your carbs for the day. You don't feel bad. You can also make quesadillas, or I love to have chips with guacamole and salsa. And you can make chips with these tortillas. So I want to unbox my tortillas today and show you what they look like and how great they are. These come in a few different flavors. I buy the multigrain. That's what I love. They're plain. I can use them for anything I want. They also come in pico de gallo and spicy chili and a savory spinach. These are about $30 for this box of 96. But if you sign up, I got on their email list and they send me promo codes. So I got these for 25% off. So let's open this up. These are keto friendly, they're vegan, they are kosher, only 1 net carb, like I said, 15 calories per tortilla, and they are made with organic ingredients, so you can feel good about eating them. Let's open this up so you can see what they look like. Here's the box. It's so easy to stick to keto if you have some good options. And what I like to do is I have a taco almost about every day for lunch. Just because it's just me and I don't like to think about it. I don't like to spend a lot of time on it. So most every day I have some sort of a taco. Okay, here's what it looks like. So you get 4 individually wrapped packages, and each package has 24 tortillas. And I keep these in the fridge and they last a long time. These don't expire until December 24th. So these, it's September right now, so you can use these for months before they go bad. And again, I had a promo code, 25% off, but this is what the tortillas look like. Let's open one of these up and get it cooking so I can show you how to make my little mini tacos. Okay, I'm going to open up my package of tortillas, and they're little, they're 4-inch, so I usually make 3 or 4. That's how big they are. So I'm going to put some olive oil in my pan. And if you're doing keto, you know you can have olive oil, you can have butter. Those are good fats. So I'm just going to get oil on both sides. Okay, so that's what our tortillas are looking like. You can also put these in your air fryer and make a crunchy tortilla chip with these. If I'm making chips, I will cut these into 4ths or 6ths, just into little triangles. After they're cooked, I'll do that, but I'll show you. You can just take your scissors, cut it in half, and then fold it over, and then cut it into 3rds. And you could either put these in your air fryer like this, or sometimes I'll put these in the toaster oven. Or you can just put them right in your frying pan. But it's easier after they're fried to make your chips, to cut it up. Then you don't have to turn 6 of these. You can just be flipping 1. Anyway, these don't take too long, just a couple minutes per side. I like to get them nice and brown. And what I like to do is I like to melt my cheese right on the tortilla when I make tacos. Or you can also make a quesadilla with these tortillas. Look how easy this is. And then you could make a tostada. All you'd have to do is put your meat and guacamole, sour cream. You can make yourself 4 tostadas for lunch. That's browning up a little bit. I love these tortillas. They have a really good texture. Oh, that one looks perfect. I just love easy, good, hot meals. Look how good those tortillas and melted cheese look. Perfect. Looks so good. So I'm going to show you, I'm making tacos. Let's go ahead and make 2. Today I'm using shredded chicken. Yesterday I put 3 or 4 chicken breasts in a crock pot with some diced tomatoes with chipotle chilies, and then I put some taco sauce. And this will give me probably a week's worth of lunches. And all I have to do is just get a little bowl and warm it up, and it will make tacos all week. I also love ground turkey. That's a good taco filling. Or whatever you use, shredded pork. But this week I have shredded chicken. Now for the toppings. Got tomatoes, diced tomatoes, some lettuce, a dollop of guacamole. You can add sour cream, you could add olives, you could add jalapenos, that would be delicious. And this is my go-to hot sauce, taco time. It's really good. I'm gonna put some of that on. And that's it. Okay, now for the fun part. I get to try the tacos. That's what they look like. I usually make myself 3 tacos. It's a really good, filling, satisfying lunch, and then I'm not starving in the afternoon. Isn't that cute? A little baby taco, so good. These tortillas are amazing. And then I have these 2 quesadillas left. I could either just eat them as a quesadilla, which they are delicious, especially with a little salt or some avocado slices. Or I can cut these up and put them in the toaster oven later tonight for dinner and use them as chips. You can put these in after you've cooked these, you can put them in the fridge and then just heat them up. They're really good heated up. Anything that can make it easier to stick to a diet or a healthy eating lifestyle is a really good find. So I was glad to find these Mr. Tortillas, and I hope that you get them and enjoy them. Thanks for watching my video.